Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Hello dear students, I am Dr. Mona Semalti from HNB Garhwal University, Srinagar Garhwal. So dear students, welcome all of you in this module in Pharmaceutics 1. Today we are going to discuss about liniments and lotion. So I welcome all of you and let's see what is in our learning outcome. So dear students, today you are going to learn about liniments, general uses of liniments, different types, preparation and compound calamine liniments, lotion and formulation of lotion and preparation of some lotions. These all topics we are going to discuss today. So liniments, dear students, are solution or mixture of various substances in oil, alcoholic solution of soap or emulsion for external application, and they are applied just by rubbing on the affected area, and that's why they were also called as ambrocatoids. Okay, so these are applied with little friction and just by simply rubbing to the skin. Okay, and the soap and the oil base which is used in the formulation of liniment, it provides it helps in the easy application of it. Okay, liniments, it should be applied to the broken skin, and if it is applied to the broken skin, it sometimes leads to the irritation, and this formulation is for external application only, and it has to be mentioned on its label also that these preparations are used for external use only. Liniments, these preparations are used basically for relieving the pain and stiffness, okay, and sore muscular uh, acne and strain and in arthritis. Okay, basically liniments are used for these purposes, and these formulations contains alcohol, okay, acetone and some of like similar compound which quickly gets evaporated. Okay, and it also has little counter irritant action present because of methyl salicylates, benzoin resin and menthol used in this preparation. Vehicle for liniment, which is very important and which is selected on the basis of certain criteria. Okay, so liniment with alcoholic or hydroalcoholic vehicles, they are used as a rubefacient, counter irritant, and for and where the deep penetration is required. And on the other hand, what happens, the oleaginous liniments are employed primarily when the when oleaginous liniments are employed where the doctor recommends massage. Okay, and the solubility of the desired component is depend on the solvent which we are, or the vehicle which we are selecting. Now, what are general uses of liniments? Okay, antibiotic, astringents, emollient effect, okay, and analgesics, rubefacient, counter irritant. So these are few desired use. Based on their use, a suitable liniment can be selected for the applied for the required area of application. Okay, antibiotic which is used for relieving the itching, and astringent basically causes uh, tissue to contract. Okay, so emollients, yes, to give the to soothe the dry skin, analgesics to relieve from the pain, rubefacient uh, which produces little redness, and counter irritant, okay, counter irritants which produces surface irritation to the skin, thereby counteracting the underlying pain and its discomfort. Types of liniments. Okay, alcoholic liniments, okay, they are used as I also mentioned earlier. It is used as rubefacient, counter irritant, mildly astringent action it has, and it has got a wonderful penetrating effect, and penetration capacity of a ointment of a liniment in the skin which is more than that of the liniments which are prepared by using the oily base. So alcoholic liniments, that means alcohol based liniments, they have got good penetration as compared to the oil based liniments. Okay, and it has got rubefacient, counter irritant, and as well as mild astringent action. Next is oleogenous liniment. Oleogenous liniments are mild in action, but the more in many of the cases where we need little massage to enhance the you can say uh, uh, to deeper tissue, there are oleogenous bases required, and they also have got the less irritating effect to the skin. And solvent which is used for oleogenous liniment is fixed oil, almond oil, peanut oil, sesame oil, or volatile substance. Okay, so these are the solvents which are used for oleogenous liniments. Okay, volatile substance like wintergreen oil, turpentine oil, or a combination of a suitable fixed oils. So preparation of liniment. So liniments, further we will discuss the preparation of liniment. Liniments are prepared by using the same principle of preparation of liquid dosage form, that certain manufacturing considerations must be focused, that we should get a stable and uniform uh, liniment. So stability is very important. Liniment suspensions are also prepared. They are prepared in the mortar and in the prescribed liquid medicinal. So non-solutes are ground down by liquid component by the rule of Derry-Hannin. Okay, so emulsion liniments are prepared with the use of suitable emulsifying agents, and the rest of the method of preparation is same which we use in the preparation of emulsions. Now in detail, if we see the method of preparation for liniment, okay, so in the preparation of liniment, the solids which are put it into the bottle first, and the bottle is weighed, right? The solvent is also weighed. All the fragrant liquid is added at the end always, and at the same time, if we are using the extract in the preparation, forming eutectic mixture using menthol, camphor, phenyl salicylates if we are using, so they must be dissolved first separately. Okay, so first one substance, then the solvent is added, and therefore it is we have to make the another substance, okay, is which is soluble in the drug and have introduced in the liniment according to its solubility in the prescribed component. So this care one has to take, and then we have to dissolve the ingredients in the solvent in which they are more soluble. So here the uh, suitable solvent must be selected, and they are mixed together with the other ingredients. Okay, so this is the method of preparation for liniment. In case of insoluble liquids, the prescription drug is, we have to crush it first in the liquid compound, and because the dispersion medium is the in the liniment is thick, the surface active matter are not introduced in the suspension liniment unless until prescribed by the doctor. So the stability of the suspension is achieved due to the high viscosity of the medium. And in case of emulsion liniment, which are simply prepared by using a good emulsifier, and the rest of the method of preparation is same. Okay, just have a look at the one example of liniment. Oleic acid, we call it as a white liniment. The ingredients are oleic acid, turpentine oil, okay, and ammonia solution, ammonium chloride, and purified water. So this is the one formula for the liniment. So dear student, you can also remember this formula, because as I also mentioned in the previous modules that you have to remember one formula at least for one preparation, so that it is easy for you to write in the examination. Just should have one formula in your mind along with its procedure. So the dilute ammonia solution is used as system circulatory stimulant, but here we are using as it is a source of alkali. Oleic acid, which is used as free source of free fatty acids, turpentine oil used as a counter irritant, and purified water which acts as a primary solvent. Now moving to the procedure. What is procedure? Okay, procedure, the turpentine oil which is first mixed with the oleic acid, then add equal volume of warm water to dilute ammonia solution, then add oily solution and shake the emulsion, shake the preparation to make a emulsion, dissolve ammonium chloride in water and add the emulsion. So this is the procedure for the preparation of white liniment. Take another example of camphor liniment. Camphor, cottonseed and the required volume to make up. Okay, cottonseed oil which we are using here is placed in a suitable dry flask or a bottom. The flask is heated on steam bath, remember, because in general we don't we don't heat oil directly to the flame, so that's why steam bath we are using. Okay, so on a steam bath you have to heat the flask containing the cottonseed oil, and then camphor is added to it, and the bottle is then it is recovered and you have to insert a stopper to it. Okay, fine. So this is camphor liniment. This is very easy preparation, camphor liniment. So I will try that. I will, if it is possible, I will prepare this preparation in front of you. I will record one video of few practical showing the direct preparation in front of you in the video lecture. Okay, so this camphor liniment we will also prepare and I will show it to you in video. Okay. Next one is camphor and soap liniment. Okay, camphor and soap. So you have to take small pieces of camphor, right, and soap, dried and granulated rosemary oil and alcohol, which we are using, and purified water to make sufficient volume, uh, which is which depends on the amount of other ingredients which we are using. Procedure for this is camphor and rosemary oil. You have to dissolve it in alcohol, add the soap and sufficient amount of water is added to measure 1000 ml. Then you have to agitate to dissolve the soap and you have to keep it aside in a cool place for 24 hours and then you have to filter it. There is another preparation I'm showing, that calamine liniment. Calamine is a major component. Okay, zinc oxide, wolfate, zinc stearate, yellow soft paraffin and liquid paraffin. It is the composition of calamine liniment. So what we have to do in this liniment preparation is, what is the procedure? Procedure is the powder are finally sifted and triturated to make a paste form with the addition of liquid paraffin. Then wolfate, zinc stearate and yellow soft paraffin is melted together and it is mixed with the some of the liquid paraffin, and this mixture is incorporated and it is triturated is incorporated with the triturated powder. Finally, grounded powder and rest of the liquid paraffin is added with mixing. So this is the formula. If you will go through from it, you will come to know that what is the procedure involved and how you have to prepare this liniment. So dear students, till now in this module we discussed three liniment preparation: white liniment, camphor liniment and calamine liniment preparation, and we also discussed the general description of liniments and different types of liniments: alcoholic liniments, oleogenous liniments which contain alcohol as a solvent, and in oleogenous liniment it contains fatty oils as a base. Okay, so this is about liniment. Now we are moving to another topic which is solution, which is lotion, right? So lotion is also semi-solid dosage form, and it has little low viscosity as compared to the other topical preparations like ointment, because when we compare ointment to liniment and lotion, what is the difference? The ointment has got little more viscosity. It looks like a little uh, thick consistency as compared to the lotion, but lotion is a running consistency, we can say. So lotions are also meant for external application, okay, to the skin, and it is applied with just simple by bare hands and with sometimes with the brush and with the help of clean lotion, also with cotton wool is also used. Okay, so a lotion is used as a medicine delivery system, but lotion as such are used, hand lotion, body lotion, which are meant simply to nourish or to moisturizing lotions are also there to moisturize the skin, to soften the skin and to prevent the skin from drying, cracking, chapping. Okay, from so these are lotions. Okay, so dear students, I think it is very clear to you that lotion are preparations for external use only and intended to be applied on the skin for skincare purpose also, okay. And medicated, there are few medicated lotions also containing one or two active ingredient which serves the purpose which serves the another purpose based on the skin condition. But in general, you can understand that lotions, they are used just to moisturize the skin and dry skin. Okay. Lotions, antiseptic lotion. Okay, here I am mentioning that lotions for medicated lotions which are there, which has certain property like antiseptic, antibiotic, antifungal, corticosteroid lotion, anti-acne. Okay, these are basically used for the skin problems with those who have got a kind of specific problem. So based on their problem, a suitable lotion is selected and it is prescribed by the physicians. Anti-allergens, okay, soothing, softening and protective agents. Okay, formulation of lotion. A formulation of lotion, a wide variety of ingredients are used in the formulation of the lotion. Okay, so based on the type of lotion we are going to prepare. Okay, lotion in lotion formulation, bentonite, which is very commonly used as a suspending agent, methyl cellulose, sodium carboxy methyl cellulose. Okay, it localizes and holds the active ingredient in the affected area, and which can be easily also rinsed with the water. And if the lotion which we are preparing are alcoholic or hydroalcoholic, then we don't need to add the preservative to it. Okay, uh, so these are few things which you should know about lotions. So moving to next, let's see. Glycerin. Glycerin is used in the lotion which helps in keeping our skin moist and soft. Alcohol, it increases the cooling and drying effect. And the other common ingredients which are used in official lotion include antihistamines, calamine, okay, benzocaine, steroids, sulfur, zinc oxide, salicylic acid, minoxidil, and betamethasone, calamine, sunflower oil. And so these are few examples of ingredients which are used in lotion. Formulation. Now moving to the formulation of lotion. The preparation of the lotion starts by trituring the ingredient. You have to triturate the ingredient to make a smooth paste, right? Then you have to add the liquid phase, is added with trituration. High speed mixtures or colloid mixture produces better dispersion and therefore are used when formulation is required in large quantity. At laboratory we can use simple the modern tester sometimes to triturate and then to add and to prepare the lotion, but when we are preparing it on large scale, high speed mixtures and colloid mixtures are used in the formulation of lotion. Okay, just take example of one lotion, calamine lotion, which is very common, and I think you must have prepared calamine lotion in your laboratory. I will show you that how to prepare calamine lotion in the coming video. So you have to take calamine, zinc oxide, glycerin, okay, bentonite magma, okay, calcium hydroxide tropical solution and sufficient quantity of water. So these are the ingredients of lotion. Calamine lotion, bentonite magma, which is diluted with the equal volume of calcium chloride tropical solution, right? Powder is mixed intimately with the glycerin and about 100 ml of the diluted magma and triturated until a smooth uniform paste is formed. So the remaining magma is added then gradually. Then finally calcium chloride tropical solution is added to make 1000 ml and it is shaken well. So since this is the procedure as per the book, so you can also go through from the books and you will find it. Next is formulation of calamine lotion IP. Calamine, zinc oxide, bentonate, sodium citrate, liquid phenol, glycerin and rose water. This is the very common formula which we use in the laboratory for the preparation of calamine lotion IP. Use of ingredients. So dear student, I also mentioned in my previous module that whatever preparation you are going to prepare in laboratory, you must know the use of individual ingredient in that preparation, that what for it is used. This is only the thing which you are asked in your practical viva exam, when the external examiner or the examiner practical examiner which whom take your practical viva is going to ask these types of question, that these ingredients if you have used in your preparation, so tell me the use of individual ingredient. That means why you have used this ingredient. Say for example, we are using calamine lotion IP, we are using calamine. So what is the use of calamine? Why did you use calamine? Calamine just because it is protective, soothing, and because of its astringent effect. Zinc oxide, okay. Can you tell me why did you use zinc oxide? The examiner may ask this question. So you have to answer. It acts as a astringent, antiseptic, bentonite. It acts as a suspending agent, right? Sodium citrate, which is used as chelating agent and also acts as a buffer to maintain the pH of, okay. Liquid phenol, antiseptic and preservative. Glycerin, humectant. Yes, glycerin is always used as humectant. Rose water, to just give the pleasant aroma to the lotion, or you can also use any other fragrance to your lotion. Now moving to the formulation of calamine lotion, what you have to do. Sodium citrate solution is prepared by dissolving sodium citrate in 1/4 of total volume of purified water. Calamine, zinc oxide, bentonite is triturated with the sodium citrate solution until you get a smooth cream. Then the cream is diluted to make the pourable consistency, and then you have to transfer this mixture and add liquid phenol and glycerin, and you have to mix it well, and then the final volume is adjusted with water. Now we will take another example, that preparation of white lotion USP. Okay, most of the lotions are prepared by trituration, but there are few lotions which are prepared by chemical interaction. Okay, so zinc sulfate, sulfated potash and purified water to make sufficient volume are the ingredients of white lotion USP. What is the procedure? Zinc sulfate and sulfurated potash is dissolved separately and in 450 ml of water. Each solution is filtered and saturated potash solution is added slowly to zinc sulfate solution with constant stirring, and then the required quantity of purified water is added and it is mixed. Okay, this is one more example: salicylic acid, castor oil and ethanol. This is the preparation of salicylic acid lotion BP. So this is the method of preparation. I am not discussing it, just go through what is the method of preparation. And there is another formula, that preparation of precipitated sulfur lotion. It contains precipitated sulfur, glycerin, sodium lauryl sulfate, alcohol and rose water. Ingredients: precipitated sulfur, which is used as antiseptic, astringent, glycerin, humectant, sodium lauryl sulfate, surfactant, alcohol. It gives you a cooling sensation, and rose water just to give good aroma to the lotion. So okay, this is the method of preparation for sulfur lotion. Okay, and this is another I have added, that amino benzoic acid lotion. Just look at the formula in the slide, and this is the method of preparation, that how you are going to prepare it. So these are the references. So dear students, now I will quickly summarize this topic. Today we discussed about liniments and lotion. We discussed different types of liniment, alcoholic, oleaginous liniments, and the ingredients which are used in liniment and their method of preparation, and I tried to make you understand with the help of examples. And similarly, we also discussed lotion, different types of lotions, and the medicated, non-medicated lotions, and lotions having different properties and method of preparation with few examples. So dear student, we discussed liniments and lotion and the semi-solid preparations. So dear student, that's all for today, and stay tuned for more videos, and thank you so much for watching this video.